Electricity is something we take for granted in our everyday lives. It surrounds us and is crucial for virtually everything we use, from smartphones to cars. Electricity powers all aspects of modern life. This is a part 1 of a 2-video series where I talk about 2 major different ways to generate electricity. In this video, I will cover how the lifeblood of today's society is generated through one major way. Welcome to. Though other forms of electricity generation, such as wind or hydroelectric exist, those just build up from the principal concept I will be talking about today, and that is to spin a generator. The only significantly different form of renewable electricity generation is solar energy, which I may or may not talk about in the next video. This video would only cover how electricity is generated through a DC generator. Electricity, at its most basic, is just moving electrons. What we aim to do when trying to generate electricity is to move those electrons. A magnetic field is able to manipulate an electron. A moving magnetic field is able to turn those electrons into current. This means we could generate electricity with magnets and wire. Just simply moving a magnet back and forth along a coil of wire in a closed circuit is able to generate electricity. I will explain the variables and more information about this further into the video. Like I said previously, a simple way to generate electricity is to use magnets and a coil of wire. Though these are effective when it comes to generating enough power to power a small LED, variables could be changed for this simple generator to power differently. For example, by winding the wire tighter or moving the magnet back and forth faster, you could create a stronger current. Using a stronger magnet achieves this effect as well. You can use an ammeter to measure the current, or you could simply use a LED light. Though this small experiment proves the basic concept of electricity generation, it does not provide enough electricity for real industrial use. However, it can be improved on to generate enough electricity to power a home or even an entire city. That is where the DC generator comes in. A DC generator is everything I just talked about, but designed to be more efficient. It still uses wire and magnets and takes advantage of the same principles. Most DC generators are built with wire wrapped around a rotor with a flat arc-shaped magnets around them to improve efficiency. Instead of moving the magnet, the rotor is spun up to high speeds by a turbine powered by coal or other fuel sources to achieve the same effect. When a rotor is spun by an external source, the electrons in the wire wrapping it start moving as a result of it rotating around the magnets. This creates an electric current that runs through the wire. This generates electricity. This form of generator is most commonly used as personal generators, as AC, or alternating current, is more widely used, and AC is generated through an alternator, which is a different type of generator.